Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send a disappearing photo on Telegram. Alright, let's get it started. So the first step is to install Telegram from Play Store. So let's head on to Play Store and search for Telegram. So here, as you can see, I have already installed Telegram application on my phone. You can open it directly from here, or you can just scroll and search for Telegram and open the Telegram application. Alright, so now to send the disappearing photo, what you have to do is go to the chat of the person that you want to send the disappearing photo. So here, as you can see, so suppose I want to send our Digital Digest logo, the photo, to the person. So what you have to do is just click on the photo over there, and here you can see on the bottom right hand corner you can see the one. What you have to do is click over here and you can see the various options. So here the options are view once, 3 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, and do not delete. So what you have to do is just click on view once, or you can just set a timer as well. So just click on view once for now and send this photo. So once you have sent this photo, once the person views the photo will be disappeared. So yeah, that is how you'll be able to send disappearing messages on Telegram. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.